Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers for supporting this channel and please keep on supporting. Today a question, very basic question from Algebra. Find all real numbers a, b, c, d such that the sum of a, b, c, d equals to 20 and AB plus AC plus AD plus BC plus BD plus CD equals to 150. We have to find what is the value of A, B, C, D. So first let me square this first equation, that is A plus B plus C plus D equals to 20. If I will square, that means it is not difficult. I will multiply a plus b plus c plus d multiplies a plus b plus c plus d. So when multiplying, I'll get a square plus b square plus c square plus d square plus the other equation is given. This answer will be in that term, twice ab plus twice ac plus twice ad plus twice bc plus twice bd plus twice cd equals to your 20 square equals to 400. So from this I'll separate this a square plus b square plus c square plus d square. So it will be 400 minus 2, taking common I'll get ab plus ac plus ad plus bc plus bd plus cd. That is given to be 150. This is the second equation, 150 I can replace here. So I am getting a square plus b square plus c square plus d square equals to 400 minus 2 into 150, that will be 300. So it will be ultimately 100. So we are getting a square plus b square plus c square plus d square equals to 100. Then what? Then I'll get some expression in this way. First I'll take a minus b whole square. Then I'll add to it a minus c whole square. Then I'll add a minus d whole square. Then b minus c whole square. Then b minus d whole square. Then your c minus d whole square. Let us simplify this. So first expression you will get a square plus b square minus twice ab. Next is a square plus c square minus twice ac plus a square plus d square minus twice ad plus b square plus c square minus twice bc plus b square plus d square minus twice bd plus c square plus d square minus twice cd. So if we'll simplify, I am getting a square, a square, a square. So 3 times of a square. In the same way, now you must have understood b square will get 3 times 3b square, and c square also will get 3c square, and d also will get 3d square. So that I can use this one. Next I'll get all minus twice ab plus ac plus ad plus bc plus bd plus cd. Now I'll take common 3, and a square plus b square plus c square plus d square and minus 2. This value is 150, already we have used. Now I'll apply this as 100 from here. So it will be 3 into 100 minus 300. Certainly this will be 0. So I derived a new expression, that is your a minus b whole square plus a minus c whole square plus a minus d whole square plus b minus c whole square plus b minus d whole square plus 6 minus d whole square equals to 0. Now it's clear that we know that when sum of many squares are 0, means each of the square is 0. Because a minus b whole square, it cannot be negative, either it will be 0 or greater than 0. So each is a positive terms, either 0 or greater than positive terms, and the sum is 0. What does it mean? That means each of the term is 0. Each of 6 terms is 0. So a minus b whole square is 0. This gives me a minus b is 0, or a is equal to b. Similarly, a minus c whole square is 0. This gives a minus c is 0. So a is equal to c. Then your a minus d squares is 0. So a minus d is 0. So a equals to d. That means a equals to b equals to c equals to d. Next, we'll take this relation. Given equation a plus c plus d equals to 20 and each equals to 0, that means 4 times of a equals to 20. This gives me the value a is equal to 5. When a is equal to 5, b is equals to also 5, a is 5, b is also 5, c is also 5, d is also 5. This is the solution. So thank you for watching. Please keep on watching.